Welcome back to our channel Study Adda. So today I have brought a new topic of ancient history on the life of Gautam Buddha. There are around 100 questions in this series, and this is the first part of 20 questions on Gautam Buddha in this video. Another 20 questions will be coming shortly within few days to complete this whole series of ancient history on the life of Gautam Buddha. So let's start with the very first question. When was Lord Gautam Buddha born? And as you know, the right answer is option C, 563 BC. Now, somewhere you will also find that the year of birth is mentioned as 480 BC. But from the study, if you see that his mother, Mahamaya, died just after 7 days of his birth, and it is also mentioned that Mahamaya also died in 563 BC. So from there we can cross verify that yes, Lord Buddha was born in the year 563 BC, because as we know that his mother died just after 7 days of his birth. So we can say the death of his mother or the birth of Lord Buddha is considered to be option C, 563 BC. Next, where was Buddha born? So Buddha was born in Lumbini in Nepal. Next question, what was the original name of Lord Gautam Buddha? So the original name of Gautam Buddha was option C, Siddharth. Next question, Buddha was also known as Sakyamuni, or by which name? So Buddha was also known as Sakyamuni or Tathagata, which is a Sanskrit word. Next, what was the name of Buddha's father who was a Kshatriya? So his father name was option D, Sudhodana. Next, who was the mother of Buddha who died just after 7 days of his birth? The point which I was mentioning in the very first question, that his mother who gave birth to him died just after 7 days of his birth, and his mother name was Queen Mahamaya, Rani Mahamaya. Next, after the death of his mother, Buddha was brought up by whom? So the right answer is Buddha was brought up by Gautami. Option D, Gautami. Now, who was Gautami? Gautami was the sister of his mother, or known as Mausi or aunt, who brought up Buddha. Next, who was the meditation teacher of Buddha? So the meditation teacher of Buddha was option A, Alara Talama. Alara Talama. Next, name the wife of Buddha. The wife of Buddha was option B, Yasodhara. Option B, Yasodhara. Next, what was the name of the son of Buddha? So the name of the son of Buddha was Rahul. Option C, Rahul. Next, who was the personal doctor of Buddha who was also the throat doctor at Rajgriha in Bihar? And the right answer is option B, Jivatra was the personal doctor of Buddha as well as the personal doctor of Bimbisara. So the right answer is option B, Jivatra, the personal doctor of Buddha. Next, Buddha was also known as option B, Light of Asia. Option B, Light of Asia. Now, there is a book named Light of Asia, and in this book only Buddha was mentioned Light of Asia by the author Edwin Arnold. Who coined Buddha as Light of Asia. Next, what does Buddha actually means? Buddha means the enlightened one. Now what do we mean by the enlightened one? The enlightened one means the one who has attained wisdom, has gained knowledge. Next, name the clan or tribe Buddha belonged to, who were the earlier king of Itswatu dynasty. So the right answer is Buddha belonged to Satya tribe. Option B, Satya tribe. Next, stories of Buddha's birth and his previous lives are contained in. So the stories of Buddha's birth and his previous lives are contained in option D, Jataka tales. Option D, Jataka tales. Next, which ruler was a contemporary of Buddha? So all of these rulers, Bimbisara, Ajatasattu, Mahavira, Bhagwan Mahavira, all of these were the contemporary of Buddha. So right answer is option D, all of these. Now you must be thinking that what do we mean by contemporary? Contemporary means the one who has lived at the same time as you lived. Your friends, your siblings, they can be called your contemporaries as well. Next, during which period of Indian history did Kshatriyas have a distinct identity? So you would be knowing this answer. The right answer is option B, age of Buddha. During the age of Buddha, Indian history, Kshatriyas have a distinct identity. Next, the site of birth, nativity of Buddha at Lumbini, Nepal, built by Ashoka, is marked by what? Means the question is asking that the place where Buddha was born in Lumbini, Nepal has been marked by which thing? And it is option B, Rumendei pillar, which was built by King Ashoka. So the right answer is option B, Rumendei pillar, built by Ashoka in Buddha's birthplace, Lumbini, Nepal. Next, which among the following promoted education through residential universities of Buddhism? So the right answer is Nalanda University, Vallabhi University, Vikramshila University, and somewhere it is also mentioned Taxila University. All of these universities have promoted education through residential universities for Buddhism. And the last question of the day, who were Ajivikas? You will find these questions during your SSC or NTPC or state PCS exams. So Ajivikas were sect contemporary to Buddha. I have already made you clear the meaning of contemporary. So the right answer is Ajivikas were option A, sect contemporary to Buddha. So that's all from today's talk.